This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Greetings. I will try to help you create a divider or border on your submenu on your Squarespace site. Firstly, please mouse over on the top menu and then mouse over again on the submenu. Then right click and then go click on the inspect option. Once clicked, you will notice this code section on the bottom, and please go to the ID. Locate the ID section and then right click again and then copy. Once you copy that, go to your Squarespace custom CSS section, very similar to a window I'm showing you right now. Make sure you type in #, which is for the ID, then open bracket, border dash bottom, colon, 1px, solid, there's a space in between, solid, and then white, semicolon, and close the bracket. Then you will paste the ID on the just after the #, and this should, and then you save it on your custom CSS in Squarespace. This should allow a border on the submenu of your Squarespace site. There should be a border or divider underneath that. Now, please be aware that it doesn't have to be white. It could be gray, silver, whatever color you prefer, and it doesn't have to be 1 pixel. So play around with it. I hope this helps out, and thank you for listening.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.